Hi Tubman, it's Morel. I'm here today with a new article about students who become inventors. Let's take a look at the article and some vocabulary. The article is Students Focus on the Next New Thing at Virginia's Camp Invention. Today, as we read, we're going to be thinking about how can you be an inventor, and what do inventors do? Take a look here. Virginia's Camp Invention, Day 1. The questions that I want you to think about are, what do inventors do? How can you be an inventor? Think for a minute. What do you already know about what inventors do? Okay. And I want you to be thinking about, how can you be an inventor? What would you need to do to be an inventor? Some words that we need to know in this article. We have word, picture, definition, sentence. First word is invention. Say invention. Here is a picture of some inventions. A hoverboard, special glasses, a special sneaker. An invention is something made for the first time. I want you to think of using it in a sentence. For an invention, I want to make. Think and then say your sentence out loud. I could say, for an invention, I want to make a homework machine. What invention would you make? Say it out loud. Next word, fly. You say it. Flies. You say it. Fly means to move through the air with wings. Here's a picture. This airplane flies. Think about how to use it in a sentence. What can fly? A blank flies. You say that sentence. Say something that flies. I could say, a plane flies. A bird flies. A bug flies. Okay, next word, idea. This person has an idea, a thought, plan, or suggestion about what to do. So my idea is, think about an idea you have. Say it in a sentence. My idea is to have dinner at 6 p.m. That's my thought, my plan. Last word, camp. Here's a picture. Camp is a place far from the city with tents to live in. A lot of you went to Camp Fraser. Think about what you did there. At Camp Fraser, and say it in a sentence. At Camp Fraser, Okay. So those words will be in the reading today. Today, as we read, we are going to visualize. Say visualize. Visualize means to make a picture in your brain. See how she is reading and visualizing, imagining what she is reading. As you read today, visualize what is happening. We will draw what we visualize. So right now, please pause this video, get a piece of paper and a pen or pencil. It can be any paper. Right here, I have this small little piece of paper. That works great. It can be small paper, scrap paper, whatever you have. Please pause the video and go get paper and something to write with. So we are going to read part of this article. As we read, we are going to visualize, see what we are reading about. We're also thinking about, what do inventors do? Let's read the title together. Students focus on the next new thing at Virginia's Camp Invention. Please read the first paragraph to yourself from here to here. Okay, let's read it together. Hunter Wright is 11 years old. He wants to invent a bicycle that flies. To invent is to make something new. Hunter is building a small model of his idea. He is making it out of wax. Now, take your paper. You're going to need 4 boxes on your paper. My small paper, I folded it in half to make 4 boxes. In the first box, I'm going to draw what I just read in this paragraph. Let's do it together. Read this again if you need to, and draw what you are visualizing. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I visualized. Here's Hunter, the boy. He has an idea. He wants to build a bicycle that can fly. I drew wings on the bicycle, and I'm showing that it's going up in the air. What did you visualize while we read this? Show your drawing to somebody at home. Now, who is this text about? Who? Sorry, everybody, that's the wrong one. Who is this text about? So far, we've read about Hunter, a kid. Let's keep reading to see who else it's about. Remember to visualize what you're reading. Read this paragraph here, from Hunter to dog. Read to yourself. Okay, let's read it together. Hunter talks to other kids about what should be on the bike. One idea is a box for food. Another idea is making sure the bike flies high enough. It also needs to fly low. Then the rider can also walk a dog. So now I want you to have box number 2. Draw what you visualized here. I'm looking back at the article, at what I just read, to help me visualize. Okay, let's see. Okay, I finished my sketch. Here's what I visualized. Here's Hunter talking to some other kids to get ideas. Here's the bicycle that can fly. There's a box for food. It has to fly high and fly low. That's what I visualized. So who else is in this story now? We have Hunter and, right, other kids. Okay, let's finish reading this part. Read to yourself from here to here. Let's read together. 4 girls have another idea. They will make a new watch from old computer parts. The students are at a summer camp called Camp Invention. It is in the state of Virginia. So, the next video, we will talk about what are the people doing and where are the people. We'll also talk more about what inventors do and how you could be an inventor. Please keep reading, stay safe. I miss you. Bye. See you soon.